Hello, everybody. This is Miss Mercier. I'm going to start posting recordings of me reading what you're supposed to be doing at home aloud, just in case that helps you guys understand the content a little bit better. And honestly, I miss reading things aloud. If I sound a little stuffed up, I just cried watching a movie, but we're going to go through this right now. I had to do this today. So I'm going to start reading aloud first from the poem for the April 6th assignment for this upcoming week. It's called On a Night of Snow by Catherine Coatsworth. So it says, sometimes pets and their owners have different views about the same things. Read the exchange between an owner and her cat in the poem On a Night of Snow. Answer the questions that follow. On a Night of Snow by Catherine Coatsworth. Cat, if you go outdoors, you must walk in the snow. You will come back with little white shoes on your feet, little white slippers of snow that have heels of steel. Stay by the fire, my cat, lie still, do not go. See how the flames are leaping and hissing low? I will bring you a saucer of milk like a daisy, so white and so smooth, so fearful and so sweet. Stay with me, cat, outdoors the wild winds blow. Outdoors the wild winds blow, mistress, and dark is the night. Strange voices cry in the trees, singing strange lore, and more than cats move, lit by our eyes' green light, on silent feet where the meadow grasses hang covered in snow. Mistress, there are signs abroad of magic and might, and things that are yet to be done. Open the door. So this is just a metaphorical conversation between a person and her cat. Unfortunately, cats cannot talk, as we all know. So this is the poet exploring what a conversation with a cat would be like if they were talking about potentially going outside. So there are 4 questions attributed to this. This is all your assignment for Monday. There's 3 multiple choice and 1 short answer. When you're doing your short answer, please remember to seek, make sure you have a quick topic sentence, bring in a piece of evidence or 2 pieces of evidence, and explain why you use them. Don't forget your quotation marks if you're bringing in a quote. And if you have any questions about your work, please reach out to me, Mr. Wonderfresh or Mr. Springer. Thank you so much.